Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in high-yield accounts, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize returns on your savings while maintaining safety and liquidity. Step 1. Understand the difference between high-yield savings accounts and traditional savings accounts. High-yield accounts typically offer interest rates 10 to 20 times higher than traditional banks by operating with lower overhead costs. Step 2. Research and compare high-yield savings accounts from various online banks and credit unions. Look at current annual percentage yields, minimum deposit requirements, fee structures, and customer service quality. Step 3. Ensure the institution is insured by Federal Deposit Insurance, protecting your deposits up to regulatory limits. This insurance provides security comparable to traditional banks while earning significantly higher interest. Step 4. Open your high-yield savings account and link it to your existing checking account for transfers. Most high-yield accounts can be opened entirely online within minutes, with no minimum balance required. Step 5. Determine the appropriate amount to keep in high-yield savings based on your financial goals. Typically, emergency funds and short-term savings goals belong in these accounts rather than long-term investment money. Step 6. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your high-yield account to build savings consistently. Automating savings removes the temptation to spend money before saving it. Step 7. Monitor interest rates periodically and be willing to switch institutions if significantly better rates become available elsewhere. Moving funds between insured institutions carries no risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.